In what order should you book your wedding suppliers? Hello, I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia-Beth Photography, and in these little videos I am just answering a simple wedding planning question in under 2 minutes. So the first thing that you want to get booked is your venue so that you know exactly what your wedding date is, especially if you have a special wedding date that might be quite easily requested by other couples, things like bank holidays or New Year's Eve, for example. Make sure that you've got the venue that you want booked in straight away. Then you want to think about a wedding planner. Maybe you've already booked them because you've had them help you pick your venue. But if you've already got your venue sorted, think about getting your wedding planner sorted straight away, or your day of coordinator. The next supplier that you want to get booked is your wedding photographer. I'm a wedding photographer and I know that I can get booked at least a year, maybe 18 months or even 2 years in advance. And if you've got your eye on a particular photographer or a particular photography style, make sure you get your date in with them as soon as possible. Then you want to think about food and drink. So caterers and bars, get them sorted straight away. The next thing is an officiant. Now this one can be slightly tricky because it depends on where in the world you are having your wedding, and then also what type of ceremony you want, whether you want a church wedding, a registrar, a celebrant. They all get booked up in varying times, but I would make sure that you can get them booked for your date as soon as possible. The next ones that can often get booked up quite quickly are things like your cake, your stationer, depending on whether you're sending save the dates or getting menus and things like that printed, you want to get them done quite quickly. And then also your florist, as they can get booked up really far in advance too. The next things to think about are your dress or your suits, your hair and makeup, so that you've got plenty of time for trials and figuring out what hairstyle and makeup style you want. Your music, so whether that be a DJ or a band, make sure they're booked in. Things like rentals of furniture or decor that aren't going to be supplied by the venue, go ahead and get them booked in. And then finally, things like non-musical entertainment, maybe a magician or a photo booth or an entertainer of some sort, something like that. Those can be booked later on in the process. Obviously, this isn't an exhaustive list. There are so many other suppliers you can have involved on your wedding day, but these are just the basics done. So I hope you really enjoyed that 2-minute answer. I will be doing so many more questions and answers on this channel over the months to come. So go ahead and make sure you hit subscribe and hit like, and go ahead and share this video if you found it useful. I'll speak to you soon.